Pran is a highly accomplished academic person and with more than 40 years of experience in the academic field.
Okay, now you look at this picture, you are seeing this picture. I gave the title Towering Inferno. In fact, there's a Hollywood movie of same title. And by seeing this picture, what do you understand? Towering Inferno. How you say yourself? Hey, there's no time that time. So you can't take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and what teacher taught us in class, what you should do, you do. Whatever comes to your mind.
I'll put all the water on myself. Once my clothes are totally wet, then I will run, close my eyes and run in a one shot.
Whatever, let them die.
The water will save me for a few seconds, so I will try it like.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Rajiv Bhardwaj, Pro Vice Chancellor, DBS Global University. And today at DBS Global University, we have our very own Dr. Pran Kaul. He is a professor of management in Royal University, Bhutan. And today he came for a guest lecture. He has interacted with the MBA students. Let's hear directly from him that how has he felt after interaction with the students and visiting this university. What is his opinion about the university, about the students? Sir, may I have your opinion, please, about this campus and what have you felt?
No, I must say it is an amazing campus. I've seen many campuses, though small, but it's very good. I never expected it will be like that. My first visit to this place, and moreover, the faculty is fantastic here. I have some old colleagues also here, but new faculty who didn't know me, the way they were nicely coming, talking, and as if we were knowing each other, it was good, fantastic. And as regards students, I had good class. But why? How can I say it was good class? Others will say only how it was, but I think it was good. Students are also decent, nice. Okay, and they were absorbing what they could absorb. They felt happy at the end. Some students came to me, sir, give us your number, and we want to talk to you. I said, you're most welcome anytime in night or day, anytime you can call me. And don't worry, I will call you back. In fact, we'll talk on phone. If some doubts are there, I will clarify them. It was good experience, very good experience. Of course, I'm thankful to you, sir, and the faculty, the Madam Pushpa, who arranged this in the beginning, actually. And I met President Sir also, a very nice person. Everybody is fantastic. Okay, it's very good. This amazing campus, I say. Though small, but very good.
Thank you very much, sir. So, we have heard from Dr. Pran Kaul about the inquisitive nature of our students, the kind of warmth he has received from our students and faculty members. I owe you this, sir, that you have rated our students and institutions so high. And I believe that in near future, he will be visiting frequently our campus to interact with our students. And such insightful sessions for which he has come and he has delivered with the students. I am thankful to him and very grateful that he has spared time to come and devote time with my students. I am really thankful to you.
In fact, I am honored. I am honored.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Namaskar, dhanyawad.